Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all those things. Welcome to today's video. I am waiting for some breakfast to come in, so I'll probably do like an eat with me video in the video. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my breakfast to get here. Yeah. Hopefully you all are having a wonderful day, and I have a day off today, so I figure I get some vlogs going in and, maybe get some videos posting up. Alright, I will be right back in a little bit. Alright, I'm back. I think my order's here. Alright, let's go get it. Alrighty. Bag is secured. Alright. Give me just a second while I get in here in the kitchen. Alrighty. Let me open this bag. Give me just a second. Alright. I got it. Got me a sandwich. And I got me a coffee. Y'all know I gotta have my coffee with my cream and liquid sugar. Alrighty. My coffee. Gotta have my coffee. Alright, I'm about to eat with y'all. Let me show you. I'm gonna cut her. Ooh. Look at her. Sausage, egg, and cheese. She's got cheddar cheese and American cheese on her. Look at her. Alright. Let's take a bite of her. So, have you guys ate breakfast today? We can eat breakfast together if you want. Eat some breakfast together, have some coffee. I love my coffee. We got an everything bagel. She's so good. Here, take a bite. I need to feed you guys too, so take another bite. There you go. You need a drink too, so here's a drink. Take a drink of her. She is so delicious. I'm feeding you guys while I eat. This is only fair. Why could I eat in front of you guys? So I just wanted to feed you guys while I'm eating. Have some more coffee. Here, eat some more. Is that good? I told you. You need to eat. Just had to wipe your mouth for you. Now, is that delicious? Here's some more coffee to spruce it down. Alrighty. I'm just going to eat this piece with you, and then I'm going to go and eat my other piece. You know, I gotta share my stuff with y'all. So, if you haven't eaten, please go eat. And if you haven't drank anything, please go drink something. Because we still got a long day ahead of us, and it's only 11:47, y'all. I hate when it slips right out of it, though. Here's some more coffee to rinse that down. Now that we have eaten together and had some coffee together, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Here's the last drink to wash it down for you guys. Alright, there's my mini vlog, my mini mukbang, and I'm gonna go enjoy this half of my sandwich and drink my coffee. So, y'all have a wonderful day, and I love you guys, and go eat something. Love you guys. Now that I have eaten my breakfast in the video that I did before this video, I'm gonna go relax, watch some YouTube, maybe see what's on TV, and drink my coffee that I got. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's go sit down and relax. Let me turn off my kitchen light. Give me just a second. Walk through my dining room and my long ass hallway to go relax, drink my coffee. All right. All right, I'm gonna go chillax. I will pick up this camera as soon as I get some more content for you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, how you doing? Amanda here. This is a day later from the last clip in this video. I just got out of work and we're stopping to Dunkin' to get an ice cold coffee for me. Yeah. How's everybody doing? And hopefully you're staying hydrated and drinking plenty of fluids today. Got some Dunkin'. Alrighty. I got my coffee on this warm day. My ice cold coffee. Yummy.